Hi loves! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today is an interesting vlog. One, because I'm vlogging again, and two, because I am sitting in my car in front of my new... I am excited to be back with the milestone vlogs. My last vlog, if you haven't seen it, will give you a recap of how 2026 went, just in case you're curious or you're new here. And now we're manifesting better, positive, exciting energy for the rest of 2026. And I feel it in the air. I feel like something shifted and good things are coming. Today's vlog is going to be a Cinderella vlog. So this is the most glamorous that I'll look. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. And that is because we are deep cleaning and starting to unpack today. The house that we bought is in great condition, but it was aesthetically not updated since it was built. And it was very much giving 80s. I want to show you guys the renovations that have just finished. This will be my first time seeing the final version, but I've been here throughout the week while it's been happening. And there are still things I need to change, so I will tell you guys about those. But I'm very excited for this and to enter this new chapter of home ownership with the love of my life. So let's get into it. So I'll point out the things that have been done. You'll probably be able to tell most of them, but this house is not unpacked yet, so it is still chaotic. Okay? And there's still some things there's actually a lot of things that Sam and I are going to change over time. But the renovations professionally that we're getting done right now are done. And the change is massive because the biggest thing that we did was paint almost every room in this house and change all of the floors. Floors used to be carpets beforehand, so I'm just going to show you guys the befores and then you'll see the after. So we made it to our new home. We have our first living area. Here's our dining room. Again, carpeted, which I absolutely hate. Definitely replacing whatever this is on the window. A cute little kitchen area. And then obviously we need to change the colors. And then we have another living area space. And then we have a bathroom that we have to replace the toilet for. Musty. Handsome. This entire area will be Sam's man cave, full entire area that Sam can make his own, and another area over here, and then up here, you guys are gonna gag. Absolutely hate this room color with a bath, another bathroom. This room, I think we're going to keep this color because I think it's kind of darling. Hallway has to change. Master bedroom. Again, absolutely not. And our mini bathroom in there. And then this room, the pink room, which will be repainted, is my closet. Okay, so now that we got the befores out the way. The entire house's floor is now non-carpeted. I think it just gives a classic vibe that will be more timeless. And surprisingly enough, we didn't go with white walls. Everything that I pinned on my Pinterest has been very Nancy Meyers, Ralph Lauren-esque. Everything is white walls. Right now our walls are all flat and they're pastel colored because we didn't want it to be boring and we wanted to be cheerful. So this is our main sitting room area. We do need to get curtains, so we just have tarp covering our windows now so people can't see in, but it's just bright and cheerful. It's a beautiful blue color. This is going to be our dining room. It was already two-toned, so we decided to just change the colors. The kitchen used to be this color green. I am going to replace this, I think, but now it's white. We changed the countertops to a quartz countertop for a more modern, beautiful appearance. And we kept the stove. And all of this has to be cleaned, by the way, so this is all dusty, but that's okay. But this kitchen is a soft baby blue. And then I have more stuff over here. The fridge needs to be wiped down. And this oven, she's old. And we do plan on replacing her, but she's kind of cute and she's kind of growing on me because it's giving vintage. And then this is our living room. And it has an old pellet stove in the corner here. This is going to be the man cave. But it essentially looks like this throughout the whole thing. So it's just a dark blue in that room. Dark floors still. This bathroom will be another project, kind of in the making. I think I want to paint these cabinets, but I haven't decided if I just want to wood stain it darker, which will probably be the more likely thing. We got extra tall toilets for Sam. Up the stairs. I absolutely love the stairs, by the way. The place that we were renting from the last time had stairs like this. and I just felt like they were so chic. So we did it again. Painted these walls a very, very light muted lilac color because we thought it'd be nice where in some light it kind of looks neutral or like white, but it gives a little color still, so it's not flat. This is one of the guest rooms, the main guest room, which she's cute. And she's a more vibrant purple. This guest room has a bathroom inside of it. Guest bathroom here that actually the painters didn't have to paint at all. Now this room I absolutely loved, and I have been working out of this room. This was also already colored this color from the last owners, a beautiful shade of butter yellow. I think this is so charming. And down the hallway we have our room. This will be our master bedroom. So we moved our stuff in here. And this is the bathroom in the main primary room. It was just repainted. And lastly, this is my closet. So we still have to move into large wardrobes and finish putting like my drawers in and all that kind of stuff, which I might do today with you guys. But she's pink. She's pink. I feel like I'm returning home to myself. My room at my parents' house, I painted over one summer, and it was a similar shade of pink. Girlified the space. I think it was when I started realizing I am hyper feminine, actually. And I haven't had a pink closet since then. I'm just so excited for this new chapter, and it's really nice to like digest the fact that we are starting a home together and it can be whatever we want it to be. Yeah, so that is a little house tour. So I think selfishly I think I'm gonna just have my OCD kind of get me together, and I'm gonna start by seeing how much I can unpack in this room, and yeah, we're gonna do that together.
Hey babe, look what hole I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy.
Alright, y'all, 3 Real Housewives of Atlanta episodes later, we've made some progress. I have to wait until tomorrow to move some furniture. Like, I have another set of drawers. It's going to be stacked on here, and Sam's with me. I did start unpacking this area. I still have all of these clothes I have to put into wardrobes, but we have to move the wardrobes up, and I can't do that by myself. But I did start putting more clothes in these bins. And then I started unboxing some shoes, but I haven't found my main shoe bag yet. And I put all of my bags over here. So we're slowly making progress. I'm not going to do my vanity because I want to make a TikTok of organizing my vanity, but your girl is getting hungry, so I'm going to take a break to go pick up lunch, and then we're coming back to do a little bit more because now I feel determined in working. It's a couple days later. We've made some progress among the house. I ended up moving my desk to the opposite side of the room, so now this side is empty and the window side has my desk. Also, don't mind this paper towel. I was like getting all of the dust and residue off of this monitor, but I plugged in my monitor today. I'm excited to work today. So here is my little desk area. I also really like the contrast of the pink with the butter yellow, so I think I'm gonna love decorating this office space over time. And it's a Monday, so I feel pretty like inspired to get started with my day. So I'm gonna just be working. I might do a Bath & Body Works run to pick up some like soaps for the house, and then I can show you guys the progress we made yesterday. I'm excited to get a sense of normalcy, to get all these like random trash bags and boxes and everything unpacked and out of the way. We're back home with some goodies. We started changing the handles to like gold yesterday, but not all of them came in. So I have some of the old handles back on here, but just bear with us. We need a hand soap. Got 2 of these in cinnamon spice vanilla and pumpkin apple because It's that time of year, y'all. I got football season, which I've never gotten this set before, but I smelt it in the store and I really liked it. Got leaves, my favorite fall scent. And then I got caramel vanilla and sweet cinnamon pumpkin. And then finally I got white pumpkin. And then I just ordered myself lunch. So I'm gonna have lunch and then we're gonna get to unpacking some more things because my Amazon boxes came in. Okay, time for a little Amazon show and tell. I ordered this, which is supposed to be like a dish drying rack stone, but it feels like it's just wood, to be honest. And then I got a new drawer organizer for all of our utensils, a new paper towel holder for the kitchen so it matches the gold, and most importantly I got some kitchen cabinet liners, and my additional knobs came in. Okay, so we will have the gold knobs throughout the rest of this kitchen, but I'm gonna try and do like a couple of hours of unpacking and getting things together so that it's less chaotic. Slowly starting to look like a kitchen. Started unboxing our bathroom stuff and also started putting together our bed. However, there is a bracket missing that I ordered from Amazon, so I need to replace that and then we can actually put the mattress on. I can't remember if I showed you guys this, but I did a little bit more here in terms of putting my fragrances all on this little shelf, and then this has all my jewelry and like accessories are stored in these cute little boxes. But I started putting some shoes on the shelves. I actually moved some of the shoes that were on that shelf here. I have more of like sandals, loafers here, and then I found some of my Silky and Bay Beyond dresses, so I just hung them here because I haven't figured out where I'm gonna put them. I will be so happy a week from now when everything's away and I don't feel like a crazy lady anymore. And I've just felt like a little egg. I feel like I've had so much sugar, so my face is back to being moony. So we got a lot of stuff we gotta do. Hey loves! I wanted to just come on here and finish this vlog. I'm still in the process of unpacking and doing everything around the house, but we've made some progress that you guys will see in the next vlog. In the meantime though, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be posting more short form content about the behind the scenes of the move, me going from crunchy back to being hopefully a cute duty soon on my Instagram and TikTok, so make sure to follow me there. I'm determined to get back into the darling of it all, the girly glam, less slightly ratchet for my favorite time of year. So definitely stay tuned for some pre-fall and fall content coming soon. With all that being said, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye loves!